lot of hands-on stuff. We actually have a building outside for Habitat for Humanity. So we learned how to do framing, rough drywall, we did flooring, we did lighting, we did plumbing. We touched kind of a little bit of everything just to get us ready for the workforce. Something that Fairfield does well is having every student build their own blueprint and actually physically make it too, see if it'll actually work. It's really cool. So Ruscilli built the Next Gen Training Center, and of course I was a part of that. He started me out on the field, looking at blueprints, trying to get more intuitive, learn the site, always on site 24/7, looking at stuff, trying to help other crews out. There's a lot of learning. So what we're about to go to is the agriculture room. This one was a pretty easy spot. The biggest issue we had was just paint getting on the ground from putting all the spray. So now we're walking into the welding lab. This one was quite challenging, and then towards the end, they left me the job to close out. So all the punch items, calling contractors, pretty much running it. Of course, they're there with guidance. They're a great team. So it's been great, amazing opportunity. Later on in life, they have good retirement plans, 401k, everything else that everyone should be looking out for. This, you can grow into a superintendent role and really show for what you've reached, all the stuff you've learned. All I can say is my current role would be, I'm still labor, but they're more of having me do field engineer work and assistant superintendent work. Still working on getting that side of the company, and what I would just tell the students is just focus. This will be a good opportunity for anybody. There's a lot of money in it. It's a great career. This kind of changed everything for me. So Fairfield was my best choice I could have chosen.